Hello guys, I'm Urban Fox Gamer and today I'll be showing you how to build a low poly couch with this particular design. If you know, you know. So I tried making that particular couch multiple times to find the best workflow, fastest way possible. So my measurements are approximately based around a 3-seater couch. So this is subjective, so what you see in the internet for measurements is what you get. For me, I'm just going to use an 89 in the length. I'm in inches, so 89 inches length. The width will be 35, and the height would be 40. So that's my basic size. This is real world scale of a 3-seater couch. So let's make a duplicate so I can have a reference for size for later on. So we start with this particular box, convert it to poly. Now we are going to subdivide this here, hitting the dialog box and connect. Let's pinch it like that. Now let's pinch it again and use top view. Gonna pinch it again here, probably less. So we have that basic subdivision. So we're just gonna pull this down for the base of the couch. Now we're just going to extrude these parts. So extrude like so. So this is just approximation of the couch. Now we're just going to do one side. We're just going to add symmetry modifier on the other side, or well, on the model I mean, to do the other side. So we're just going to edit this side of the couch. So I'm going to chamfer, just gonna do 2 segments, a little bit like that. I'm just gonna hit OK. I'm just gonna target those vertices to here to have a more cleaner look. So just do that like so. The reason why I did this and not delete this segment is to have a symmetrical chamfer on the top and the bottom, and to have a clean topology, because right now as you can see, it is now in n-gon. So let's fix that, make it quad, or at least a triangle. So like so. Oh wait, later on I'm gonna do a chamfer first. Like so. Hit OK. So we have that thing going on. So let's fix that. It's quite easy. Let's just delete this. And I'm going to collapse this one. And I'm just going to move it to the position which is on the X. I'm just going to copy that value, move it here, and I'm just going to target this vertex. So I'm just going to cap this one, so it's still a quad, which is nice, but right now it's in n-gon, so let's fix that. So let's grab this and this, and that will fix the n-gon. So for the bottom part, you can delete this part because it's not seen unless if your couch is like rotating for like a garbage scene, or or a cover to an action game or whatever. But for my use, I'm just gonna delete this part because this one is just furniture prop. So we already have a couch starting to look like a couch. So let's build the pillow here and the cushions here and here on the top. So this is a 3-seater, so let's divide this in 3. So let's reset this one. So 2 segments, it's good. I'm just gonna use 1 cushion only for this one. So I'm just going to shift and move it on the Z to duplicate that part one. So you get that, control backspace, just move like so and like so. Now I'm just going to detach this one. So we are now just building the cushion for the seat. So I'm going to isolate Alt Q. Again, I'm just going to use the transformation values on the X. Copy that, copy on this one. Now I'm going to bridge this one to close it. Bridge, bridge. There you go. I don't want to add a face there because that's in the back side of the couch. Save polygons. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of I will just use an inset. There you go. An inset. Then I'm going to push this backwards like so. Now I'm going to scale it in the Z. Now to add more curvature, let's add at least a segment like that. Make it fluffy. A tad bit of curvature. So I'm just going to pull this one with the connection here. Right click, and there you go. So, oops, there you go. Now we have an end gun, so we can fix that by grabbing these. Let's go in the side, front view, grab all of these parts, click on it, and there you go. It's triangulated properly. So let's go back to the couch. So we are now going to build a pillow and the other cushion on the other side. So I'm just going to add a box here, probably approximately like that. Like so. This is like a tutorial that I made before on how to build a pillow. You can click on that. For this one, it's just pretty much the same principle that what I did before. We're just going to connect, pinch, okay, semicolon, connect again, set, right click, do it again, semicolon. There you go. We're just going to grab these, shift left click, we're going to collapse like that. Now we're just going to grab this one. We're going to grab everything besides the center. We're just going to scale it down in the Z. Do it again. Now this time I'm going to deselect these and scale it again. So we have a pillow. Now for proper triangulation, grab these and connect like so. So we have a pillow. Probably I'll add more definition. I'm just gonna loop like so. I'm going to chamfer one a little bit like so, even probably two, and pull it like that. So whenever I use the FFT, it looks okay. So now I already have a pillow ready for an FFT. So let's add the FFT, which is I'm going to use a 3 by 3 by 3. So plus symbol, control points, go to the orthographic view. We're going to bend this like so. I'm just gonna let it clip, on the cushion and the couch. We'll just do some adjustments later on. So I'm really happy with that. Gonna show a bit, so I'm just gonna convert it to poly. Now I'm gonna do some adjustments on the verts. So for this, up here, how you see it, on zip, like so, and see it. So there you go. Let's move a little bit. Now let's begin with the pillow. here and here, and we're pretty much done with that. So let's do the couch part. So I'm just gonna do like that, convert this to poly, going to extrude here, and extrude again here. That's our initial shape. So let's just put it in the right position. So make it clay, I can easily see, and for you guys to see. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to let it clip. It's pretty much okay, because usually it's now being like, you know, cushioned to each other, so that's pretty much okay. So let's do that, let it clip. We need a couch, it's okay. So I'm just going to add another loop here. Okay, now I'm just going to do same principle with the pillow. So I'm just going to isolate this one. So what I'm going to do is just going to add some connections on the edge. Going to do a connection here because it's invert n-gon, I mean. So again, it's still an n-gon. I'm just going to grab an edge here. Now we are going to do the concept of the pillow. So shift left click to ring select, or you can just click here. I'm going to collapse the edges, and I'm going to do some adjustments. So this side's supposed to be curved, so I'm going to do that like so. Just a little bit here, a little bit here. Probably it's too much, maybe like that. Now this is the bit that is a little bit supposed to be bigger. Okay, you know, just freeform it. It's supposed to be a couch, not a cement brick or something like that. Just wing it. Now to add more definition, let's grab it on the top view, scale it in X like that. Probably scale it on horizontal part. There you go. Now we're just going to fix the triangulation. Tell the model that it should be looking like this. Same concept with the pillow. So like that. I'm just gonna play around with this. There you go. We're gonna unhide all. Forgot that. There you go. And isolate, I forgot. So we already built that part. The reason why I have this is to check the scale. Right now it's missing a lot of height, so I'm just gonna pull that up. There you go. Probably gonna pull this seat part more, like so. Pull the pillow. Now to do the rest of the couch, I'm just gonna move this a little bit here, so there's like a mini gap. It's supposed to be here, like that. And I'm just going to flip this one to the other side. So copy. I'm going to mirror this on the other side. No clone. Hit OK. Just gonna do like so. Should have triangulate this part. No. I'm just gonna delete the triangulation. So Alt Q. Delete this part, because the purpose of that was to see the center of the 3 seats. So it's already done its purpose. And isolate. So we're just going to mirror this to the other side. Probably add more heights. Like so. Again, it's okay to clip because it's a cushion supposed to wrap around. Some more cushion poking out, like so. Now let's add all the polygons and do a symmetry. So modifier, symmetry. Make sure it's in the Y and flip it up. And as you can see, we already have a couch. So it's very simple to fix the triangulation again. So let's just convert it back to poly. I'm just going to double click here and here to loop select, control backspace to delete the edge and the verts. So just do some double clicking, control backspace. So do it again with the rest of the wrong edges. So there you go, it's ready fixed. Now to add some personality to it because it's looking a little bit perfect. So let's add some wear to it. So I'm just gonna use an FFT. Let's do a 4x4. So at the center it's a little bit droopy, so let me grab the control points at the middle part. Let me do that. So in here, let me pull this out. There you go. Probably top side here should be a little bit grouping like that, like so. Like that. So that's how you build that particular couch. You of course just do the UV maps and pretty much that's how you build the couch. So for my case, I'm just gonna make it with the preview, something like that, and that's the said couch. So if you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and you find this informative. If you want like videos like this again, subscribe for more. This is Urban Fox Gamer signing out.